Good days, everyone. We are Joey,
Jason,
Li Shen,
and Chua from Group 3.
Based on BIO, biotechnology is the process of harnesses cellular and biomolecular processes to develop technologies and products that intended to improve the quality of human life. Today, the 5 branches into which modern biotechnology is divided: human, environmental, industrial, animal, and plant. All of these has excited stock markets like Wall Street, where biotech was one of the most profitable sectors of Nasdaq Composite Index in the year of 2020. Alright, back to our main topic for today, agriculture biotechnology. Agriculture biotechnology applies to all technologies used in the farm. It is a broad category involving many different types of technology and science, including breeding, genetics, synthetic chemistry, and animal health.
Hey, do you know that agricultural biotechnology has been used for longer? The farmers have been enhancing wild plants and animals for nearly 10,000 years by selecting and breeding beneficial features. In years 1919, the first food product of biotechnology is appeared on the market, which is an enzyme used in cheese production and a yeast used for baking. Next, in years 1995, the farmers began planting the genetically engineered crop, which also known as GE crops. Moreover, in year 2003, 7 million of farmers in 18 nations plant biotech crops and more of them are from developing countries.
So, what does biotechnology actually do? Many people associate biotechnology with fancy inventions such as cloning, gene splicing, test tube baby, or gene alteration. But biotechnology is actually more common in our daily life than you think. The effect of biotechnology can actually be seen on a daily basis. The food you are having. For many centuries, humans have used a technique called selective breeding to breed animals and crops that will yield the most products such as corn, grain, chicken, and sheep. All of this resulted in the drastically increased food production and the same nutritional value. In the end, it laid the way to the eventual industrial revolution in the future. And if you are looking at biotechnology now, the technology has allowed us to make more alteration to the gene itself compared to the long period that selective breeding required. Now, seed can be altered directly to be resistant to a particular disease that plagues an area. This is especially important to farmers whose earnings could be easily wiped out by a single plague. Last but not least, biotechnology could also have a positive effect on our environment. As plants who are less demanding to nutrition and more resistant to pests will be reduced, much more land can be saved for other usage and less pesticide will be required to kill pests unlike their original counterparts.
First example is the Golden Rice Project. In year 1999, the Golden Rice Project was introduced by 2 scientists which they genetically modified white rice into the golden rice. The golden rice are full of beta-carotene which are able to convert into vitamin A in human body. This project was conducted with the goal of helping children who suffer from VAD, the vitamin A deficiency which faced by 112 different countries. The second example is the cloning technique of plant by using the tissue culture of the selected plant. This is also known as the micropropagation technique. These technologies allows the farmers to increase the amount of plants in large scale by just using a plant. And this huge amount of product can increase the farmer's profits. These are the steps of the micropropagation technique. A piece of selected plant tissue is cut from a plant and this is known as the explant. The explant is placed in a nutrient media to allow the multiplication of roots. When the explant develops into few tiny platelets, each of the platelet is transplanted into pot for continuous growth. After a few months, the farmers are able to harvest high amount of product by just using some cells from a plant.
GE crops has successfully provided numerous benefits to growers worldwide. At the same time, it also means that agricultural biotechnology must be considered as a supplement to existing crop improvement programs. It's not a panacea, but a technology which, and when backed up with other management strategies, is capable of delivering results. Lastly, the development of an efficient national biosafety system is critical to encouraging the growth of domestic biotechnology, ensuring safe access to innovative goods and technology created overseas, and increasing the public trust in the safety of products on the market.